Enchanting lakes. Magical springs. Mountains. Forests. And lush green fields. All can be experienced here. This is Khushab.
Khushab is situated between the cities of Sargodha and Miabali near the river Jhelum.
The Soon Valley in Khushab's northwest is home to natural lakes, waterfalls, and mountains. Here, one can also find historical sites, colonial-era botanical gardens, and a wide range of migratory birds and wildlife. The local cuisine is a delight to experience, and you can also explore many shops housing the infamous traditional handicrafts of this region. 62 kilometers from Kalar-Kahar, one can find the Khabiki Lake, which is famous for its changing colors with the changing direction of sunlight. Part of the Uchali Wetlands Complex, the lake is surrounded by mountains and is home to about 50 species of birds. A boardwalk has been installed for visitors to walk along the picturesque lake, whereas for bird watching enthusiasts, the lake also houses a bird watching tower. Those visiting Khabiki Lake can also visit Kaneti Gardens. Kaneti Gardens, established by District Engineer Major Wet Burns in 1933, is a 70-acre botanical garden with plant inventories including almonds, apricots, pineapples, oranges, olive, fig, and low-cut trees. Also a treat to watch are the natural springs and waterfalls. Once you enter the premises, nothing can be heard but the wind in the trees and the chirping of the birds. A small trek leads you to the center of the gardens, where there is a hilltop that gives the view of the whole valley. In the foothills of Mount Sakesar lies the reddish-blue 500-year-old Uchali Lake. The picturesque saltwater lake extends up to 5 kilometers. At the furthest point, this 1,000-acre lake is ideal for boating and bird watching in summers. From lush green valleys to the vast expanse of the Thal Desert, everything is natural and soul-stirring. This is Khushab.